So this is the do-it-yourself uncontested divorce course. I'm Ana Fernandez. So happy that you're watching this video. I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of the course. This is what it looks like once you log in. As you can see, I started the course just very briefly, and here it shows that my second module is ready. So let's see how it looks like inside. Once we go inside the course, you'll be taken to 8 different modules. Of course, you want to follow these in order, and everything is organized where you have written instructions and video instructions. For example, let's go to the first module where it's a family law cover sheet. Here you'll have your instructions and the form of everything that you need to fill out to complete this form. Second, and probably the most important form, is the petition. Now, once we get into that module, you'll be taken to 3 different things to complete. And once you complete it, your progress will be fully green in the bar, and you can then go on to the next module. So like I said, each module contains video instructions, written instructions, and then of course, the petition itself or whatever document that you're reviewing. You download it from here, and at the very end, you will have extra resources to show you what you do with these documents once they're all complete. If you have any questions or want to see some videos or see more information about this course, please reach out to us at the email below so that we can create content to help better understand how this course is really, really game-changing the divorce world.